Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to send push notifications from App Builder. Push notification is a great way to inform app users about the latest news and offerings, while boosting their engagement. For sending push notifications to your app users, log into your AppyPie account and go to My Apps, Push Notifications. On Push Notification Dashboard, you will see Total Remaining Push Notifications token at the top. There are 5 ways through which you can send push notifications: all users, specific user, user groups, specific categories, set up geofencing. Let's check them one by one. First is all users. Under all users tab, app owners, moderators can send push notifications to all app users. Enter message and notification message text box. You have the option to schedule delivery of push notifications under Advanced Settings. Select your time zone. Enter date and time. Set frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly. Under Push Notification Settings, you can select Notification Alert Tone and Listen. You can upload or link image URL, which will be displayed on push notification. Select the specific page that you want to internal link with push notification feature. Once internal linked, your app users will be redirected to the predefined page on tapping push notification in the app. Or you can link any external link like website URL with push notification. Select platform on which you want to send push notification. Next is specific users. Through specific user push notifications section, app owners, moderators can send push notification to specific users. Enter message and notification message text box. Just to inform you, user-specific push notifications are enabled only for those apps which meet the following criteria: a login page on the app, register users. Registered users need to log into your app at least once to receive user-specific push notifications. Select users to whom you want to send push notifications. Reset settings are same as explained in all users. Next is user group. In user group push notification, app owners are allowed to send push notifications to specific user groups. Enter message and notification message text box. Select group to which you want to send push notification, or you can create a new group. It will take you to app users section, which to group tab. Click on add groups button. Provide group name. Select pages which you want to assign to this group and save. Once you register a new user or edit existing user, there you will see a new field, Group. Select a specific group for the user. After creating group, go back to Push Notifications section. Select specific group to which you want to send push notification. Rest settings are same as explained in all users. Next is specific geographies. Geographic push notifications provide you facility through which your app owner can send push notifications to app users in a specific geographical area, instantly or on a scheduled time. Enter message and notification message text box. Enter geolocation address where you want to send push notification. Select region area and add it. Rest settings are same as explained in all users. Next is geofencing. Geofencing push notification allows you to pre-select the area and provide default push notification message, which will be delivered once any app user enters the geofence area. Enter message and notification message text box. Enter the specific address. Select the distance and add it. Rest settings are same as explained in all users. Under Message History, you can check push notification history. Under Configuration tab, you have to provide Google key. To send push notification to iOS devices, you have to publish your app on App Store and upload its APN certificate under iPhone settings. For sending push notification to Kindle devices, you have to publish your app on Amazon App Store and provide respective keys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.